Hello everyone. So I hope you did great with the assignment that I gave you and figure out this particular thing, and you might have created this simple page, right? So if not, it's a part of learning. So now I'll be giving you the solution for this. So I'll just close this particular uh, browser tab and open it newly that we create. So for first and foremost thing, I have included a local picture from the web so that I can include in this website. This is the particular this image. So let's create a HTML layout with the help of VS Code. I will naming to Rohan Prasad. That will go for heading. Let's open with live server. That's it. So you can see it's Rohan Prasad, but it doesn't have any content, so it's not showing. So the first thing we had is the image tag, right? So while we putting an image tag, so we know how to do that. Image tag inside source tag, put a mypic.jpg, right? So put up a tag that this is a logo, and you can see it's too big, right? So remember we had various attributes. Number one is height. We'll be keeping at 100, and the width as same at 100. Okay, so now we have this height and width. You can see the size of this particular logo reduces, right? So it suits our assignment. So now we need to put up the name, right? We discuss about. Let's put it into s2 tag and name it as we had in our assignment, right? So we have this particular name out here right now. So, but it looks a bit smaller. So let give it h1. Okay, looks great, right? So I'll be putting up a paragraph where I'll be listing I am okay. So this was a thing that we looked, right? So what I'll do is, we need to bold it, right? We saw that this is a bold thing. This is a bold thing. So I hope that you have figured this out. If not, we have known as a strong tag. A strong tag bolds out the text, right? So just bring this text out here. Once I hit save, you can see it's bolded. So strong tag was the right tag you should have used. If you have used, it's super great, right? So now we have to put links, right? So we already know we have an anchor tag for it with a link, right? So we have various links for various website. First one was Facebook, okay? And I'll be copying this down to three website, four websites: LinkedIn, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, if you use, and last one was Twitter. Okay, so I need to put link, right? And also the target was to give it in a new tab, right? So put our target and underscore blank. So this will open it in the new tab. Control copy, paste it, paste it, paste it. Damn, it's very good, right? Same as our assignment. Okay, so I just need to put the link. So I'll quickly bring up links out here. Go to your page, click on this, it will open up in the new tab, right? So it's great, right? We have learned the basics of HTML and implemented a simple thing. That's it for this video. Next, we will be moving to some great steps, that new things in HTML, right? If you're new here, consider subscribing. I bring latest tech tutorials and educational videos on this channel. Thank you.